Each match is divided into two parts. The first part is an autonomous period of 30 seconds, where the robot must perform tasks without human intervention. Performing well in the autonomous period requires careful planning, effective programming, and precise execution. A strong autonomous program can help teams earn valuable points and gain an early lead.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
The second part is a tele-operated period of 2 minutes, where the robot is controlled by team members. The teams are ranked based on their performance in the qualifying matches. The top-ranked teams are designated as alliance captains and are given the opportunity to select their alliance partners. The top-ranked team selects its alliance partner first, followed by the second-ranked team, and so on, until all the alliances are formed. Each match in the knockout phase consists of 2 alliances, each consisting of 2 teams, competing against each other. The winner of each match is determined based on a combination of factors, including the number of tasks completed, the time taken to complete the tasks, and penalties incurred. The knockout phase continues until only 2 alliances remain. These 2 alliances compete in the final match to determine the overall winner of the competition. Throughout the knockout phase, alliances are expected to work closely together and communicate effectively in order to maximize their chances of winning. Each team is assigned specific roles and tasks, and the alliance as a whole must work together to achieve its goals. Success in the knockout phase requires not only technical skill and strategy, but also teamwork and collaboration between alliance partners.